DSC VIT, powered by Google developers, is a student community in Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. We are a group of passionate designers, developers, and managers who work together to bring about collaborative results which better the life of everyone around us. We strive to bring about technological innovations among students, and we do so by providing a platform for everyone to learn and grow. We conduct weekly sessions, organize hackathons, publish blogs, create online courses, and build projects to bring about change in society.
2019 was amazing for us at DSC VIT. We started the year with a resolution to make education accessible. We conducted over 15 study jams, helping over 1,000 students learn tech the practical way.
In 2019, our team worked on over 40 projects. We helped the Vellore Police Department to smoothly conduct the general elections 2019. We are also collaborating with Hope House to create an application which tackles mental health disorders and grievances of teenagers, thereby preventing suicide attempts in adolescents.
Under the influence of Women Tech Makers' motto of bringing more women in tech, we organized Women Techies, VIT's only women-centric hackathon. We organized CloudFest in September to help students enter the world of cloud with the help of a hands-on session on Google Cloud and a keynote session by Nikhil Raichur.
In the month of October, we organized Dev Jams, a 36-hour-long hack with cash prizes worth 2 lakh rupees. Over 50 teams worked tirelessly for 36 hours to bring their ideas to life.
We have uploaded 2 courses on Udemy. The courses have an average rating of 4.1 and have helped over 10,000 students to learn from their room. We have also published 20 blogs on Medium to help students get an insight how things happen when we work on projects and events.
Members of DSC VIT gain exposure to opportunities that prepare them for the corporate world. The experience that DSC brings with it has helped us work on our skills and has made us well equipped for the future.
What does DSC mean to you?
VIT!